All right?
Yes.
Well, we were told by a friend to get in touch with Care and Repair because we didn't know how to go about finding builders. So we first of all we sent a card, and then we got in touch with Care and Repair, and they sent a lovely lady by the name of Kerry. She came and had a look at our bathroom, and she thought, oh, I can do something with this. And she measured it up, took photos on the iPad, and lovely. And then our Jane came, and that was lovely. They sorted us really out, sent 3 builders, they give us estimates, 3 lovely men, and we picked the one that we thought was the middle one, which was Bush. They done an excellent job, done everything we wanted. Care and Repair followed it all the way through. They didn't let them move without their say-so. Really, really lovely, and we're very pleased with the results. And I and my husband would really recommend Care and Repair to anybody.